And we're going to clean up.
It's kitty intermission.
Oh, kitty time!
Kitty intermission.
Introduce your kitty.
This is Ziggy. He's our cat. He's like two years old. Human years, 14 in cat years.
He's an old boy.
We have to stare at them this way because they're over there. Yes, okay, we're ready, set.
I can. 3 tablespoons of sweetener, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and just mix them together to make a coating mixture. And then we're gonna take the dough and like roll it up into little thingies and roll.
Oiling your hands first. Yeah, oh yeah, oil your hands first, otherwise it'll be a bigger mess than you want it to be.
And then roll it around in the coating mixture.
We spray.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Restart the camera. Okay, there we go.
Okay, basically, we spray oil our hands and we rub them together so the dough won't stick to them as much. Otherwise, it's the same thing as like flour and boiling things. Oh yeah, shout out to our friend Ray Pennings and gave us these bacon. This is my bacon. Yes, it's our Christmas bacon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do like a count right here. I'm like a mom. I'm like put it in your mouth.
A sin counter going like right here of the number of times that Stone has eaten more batter. Yeah. I regret nothing, by the way. I have no shame. So.
Okay, he has no shame. Logan, is he eating it too, man? Dance for me. How many do our dance? Oh. Wait.
Logan, was it your job to line the pan with paper and you forgot to?
I don't know. Okay, we need to guard thy mother.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. She wants to stay out of the video, so she's having us do this. There we go. Human shield so our mom stays out of the video.
What's that?
She's
You
back
know
here, but
nothing.
you can't see her.
Look how big these are. Oh my.
Oh, okay, we're going out now.
It's the baby. You have to use multiple pans. Jojo, say hi.
Hi, Jojo. Hi, Ariel.
Say hi to the camera.
Jojo has decreed that we are better than all of Jaden's audience, obviously, because he said hi to us, but did not say hi to the camera. So, viewers, you should all feel insulted because Jojo has deemed that the two of us are better than you guys. So, there. Voila. Yeah. So, now we put it in the oven. And we're gonna bake it for like, let's give it 15 minutes first. So now we get to watch you guys as well, haha.
Watch us what?
Do nothing.
Oh, okay. We'll watch each other do nothing. Give us a second.
I'm actually being battered.
Oh, stop it! I should just say nothing now.
This is batter.
And you feel ashamed.
It tastes really good, guys. Like really, I have no regrets about this.
Bananas share 50% of our DNA.
Oh, I've heard that before. Pineapples grow on the ground. That's true. Yes.
Oh yeah, that's really
It's like when you see with
Different combinations of decks of cards and like put it onto a clock. And then you were to start, and then put that onto a clock, right? And then start to walk around the Earth 1 step every billion years, okay? 1 step every billion years. Whenever you do that, and you walk all the way around the Earth, take a drop of water out of the ocean. Once you have emptied the ocean, put a piece of paper on the ground, okay? Then refill the entire ocean. Walk around again, take another drop out, place another piece of paper. Once the number of pieces of paper reaches the sun, look at the timer, and the first 3 digits will not have even changed. 52 factorial. It's a crazy huge number. So that's your long That's your overly long. You guys are totally confused. This one, bro, went right up. This went right over your guys' heads. This is copyrighted material. You can't just read it off. But Jaden can put it in the description of her video.
Wow. And is it okay? It was small. Here, it's so tiny. Come across something you see.
Oh my gosh, these cookies are enormous. Oops.
Like ours are like, wait, let me see if I can do this without making them fall. Like.
Wait, we're gonna take the camera to show you guys. We're gonna show you guys how enormous these cookies are. Wait, can you guys see? Oh, yep. I think you can see just that these cookies are huge. Yeah, they're like melding into one giant cookie that spans the entire pan.
We just kind of have to break them apart.
We're supposed to cook them for 10 minutes, so we're probably gonna cook them for 20 or 25. We will see. Because 10 minutes, if we cook them for 10 minutes, these things will be like barely distinguishable from the batter itself. So.
I'm sure you would love that though. You would love that.
I would not have a problem with that. Normal people would have a problem with it, but not me. I wouldn't care. I'm gonna have myself some Diet Dr. Pepper, probably. Like.
Anybody on the camera, everybody watching, take a water break. Hydrate. No, do it. Do it. Mom's stealing cookies. Can we steal cookies? Oh!
I'm gonna try to get it posted in 3 days.
This has gone on for really long now. It's like 4:30.
No, it's not our fault. Your cookies are taking too long to bake.
Oh yeah, no. This whole thing about counting the number of times that I've eaten dough is gonna add another day onto your editing, by the way. You're welcome.
You know what? It gets posted 4:33 p.m.
Oh gosh.
Mom, don't pay me. What are you at?
I am.
Mom, it's a camera. Yeah.
I can imagine you just like calling out your mom. Mom, Stone is verbally abusing your children. Ah.
You made a lot of
Yeah. Dad has entered saying something smells good. He did he was doing the plank when the downward push-up position, holding arms like that. I'm like, dude, you're gonna ruin your triceps doing that. Let me see how long I can do that for.
Oh, are you doing a plank? Is the phone catching it?
He's doing a kind of plank that I made up. The power saving mode thing.
Yeah, he's floating.
Are they done?
Well, no, but they don't look too good.
Did you burn them?
I don't know. I think we put too much cinnamon.
The coating kind of looks like that.
I told you. And you
We
said-
did. We put the amount of cinnamon that it told us to. It told us to. It told us to. It told us to.
Okay, no, but the thing is, you have to let your things cool, and then before you eat them, you have to go, okay, it's taste testing time, and then you have to stop. And I put in a screen that says taste testing time, okay? But don't eat them right away. You have to pause after you say it's taste testing time, and I'm gonna put a screen there.
Do you realize that you're asking of me? You're asking me to not eat cookies.
I have not eaten any. I need to eat any batter.
You're asking me to delay the consumption of cookies.
Did you play it?
I fit on these types of
Okay.
plates.
But we won't be able to do it.
Yeah, it can.
Okay, we're recording now. We had to switch to the phone.
I've been taste testing the whole way, man. That's another one. Wherever this is going, that's another one right there.
If you guys' stuff cooled off enough that you can eat it now, just blow on it.
No, but I guess we can blow on it, sure.
So now it's taste testing time. Say it, Snow.
Like, taste testing time! Hey, jazz hands!
Okay, now we're gonna try them.
It looks awful. It looks absolutely horrible.
Wait, let me see this. Hold your arms in the camera so you can see it.
Your guys are much brighter than ours, yeah.
It's hot.
Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready?
Sure. Ooh.
I want to eat one.
It's better than it looks.
Contrary to popular belief, it does not actually taste terrible.
Okay. Yeah. They do taste like the buns are a bit burnt.
This actually tastes pretty good. I'm surprised.
Something tastes a little burnt though. I think, well, probably because we burnt.
Don't judge a book by its cover. This tastes good, and you guys are saying that yours tastes a little burnt.
Yeah, that's not right.
Hang on.
I know what you're talking about because the bottom of yours is burnt.
Oh man. Cheers.
Here's the real question. Did you guys cook yours wrong, or is gluten-free just better?
Okay.
I'm having a taste.
Elena's going to taste this food even though she already had a cookie.
Yeah. Hi, Logan.
Hi.
These could have used a lot more of the sugar.
It gives it 100,000 stars.
Yeah. It's not that bad. It could have been cooked for less time though. Some of them, yeah, but not all of them. Both recipes will be in the description box along with whatever 52
Factorial.
whatever. The link to that will be in the description box.
Bye!